Welcome to Lecture 29, the last lecture of our series on prosody, on prospects and challenges. So, a major aim in prosody is helping people communicate better to improve the human condition. Lecture 27 already discussed the role of teaching, but before getting to the big picture, I'd like to say a few words about the role of technology here. First, the potential to empower people with dialogue systems that can work in more contexts and handle more genres, even cognitive assistants that will help us become better people, happier people. Second, technology to produce tools for training and for diagnosis and assessment of prosodic skills to help us become much better communicators, to help us strengthen our relationships at home, in the workplace, and beyond. Third, technology in the form of speech-to-speech translation systems to support interactions across languages and cultures that will go beyond just translating our words to translate our feelings, intentions, and micro-intentions. So how do we get there? We need more knowledge. If you think about what we know about prosody, it's kind of microscopic. While raising awareness is good and better use of existing knowledge is good, we need to expand what we know. Zooming in to look a little closer, directions include certainly more knowledge on effective teaching methods, advances in technology, but we also need more basic knowledge. How does every language work? How does any language work? How does any single prosodic construction of any language work in full detail? We don't know. There's a lot to be discovered. And also, what about X? Where X is one of the major unknowns we mentioned in previous lectures. So, lots to do. As a side note, we wish to avoid splits. It's natural for prosody lovers to form smaller groups and go off and focus on different aspects, but it's unfortunate if, for example, the computationalists and the descriptivists drift apart. Those who are skilled in achieving high performance on some specific task, and those skilled in developing explainable clear models, have a lot to learn from each other. Many shared concerns. In particular, across all approaches, there's some needed infrastructure, fundamental for further progress. This includes the need for models that are useful across many tasks, not just for speech synthesis or just for diagnosis, tools for discovering prosodic patterns and elements of any new language or novel genre, and models of variation, since not all speakers are the same. Okay, so to summarize, the kind of big picture is prosody, helping ameliorate human society, underlain by new knowledge, derived synergistically, supported by new infrastructure. So the future is bright, but there's a lot of work to do. Well, that wraps it up for this lecture series. If you want to dig deeper, you may want to start with our bibliography. Well, that's it. Thank you for watching.